Coastal Karnataka, on the southwest coast of India, for generations has nurtured icons within hospitality and industries. Kundapura, a small town within this region where Kunda means pillar and Pura means town, is home to Gurukula Public School. Gurukula School is spread over 40 acres with 70% green cover and has made sustained efforts across solar energy, waste management, water harvesting, organic plantations, 400 types of medicinal plants, a bird sanctuary and butterfly gardens. Gurukula is a CBSE school with classes across Montessori, high school and UG school, including separate hostel facility to accommodate boys and girls. With a focus on all-round development of students from academics, equal importance is also given to activities like dance, skating, basketball. Gurukula focuses on a 360-degree holistic learning with efforts extending towards students, teachers and even parents. Gurukula Public School, nurturing global leaders for a new world.
Namaste children. How are you all? I think you all fine, right? Okay. Already you learned this lesson. One small recall. Okay. Shall we do now? Which lesson is that? Jock and the beanstalk. Okay. Once we recall this story. Already you know Jock is a person in this story and his mother is there. Jock and his mother is there. They are very poor. They are very poor. They don't have any money for food. So they thought in their home one cow is there. They thought to sell that cow. Then mother told him to sell the cow and buy the money to the home, right? Then what he did? He said, Mom, it is a very cold. And then she said, okay. He said, okay, ma'am, I sell that cow in the market. And he took that cow with him and he sell that. But he didn't get any money because he sold that cow to the old man. He don't have money. He gave a magic bean. That old man gave a magic bean to this Jock. Okay. Then when he returned to his home and he said as the same to his mother, Mom, I got magic bean for that cow. Okay. Then she got angry. She got angry about the Jock. Then she threw that beanstalk outside of the window. His mother threw that beanstalk outside of the window, magic bean, what he got from the old man. That magic bean is there, no? She threw that outside of the window. Next day, that magic bean grew as a very huge beanstalk. Okay, that huge beanstalk. When he saw that beanstalk, he surprised. And then what he said? Wow, very big beanstalk is there. I'll climb that. Climbing the beanstalk, he said. Then his mother said, don't do like that. Don't do like that. You are a naughty boy, I know that. You come back to home like that. Then, but also he climbed that beanstalk and that beanstalk is very huge and it reaches to the sky. Very huge beanstalk it is. It reaches to the sky. Then he saw a what? What he saw there? He saw one big building like a palace. He saw a big building, that is we are calling castle. What we are calling that? Castle. He saw a castle there. I said that. Yes, castle. Don't pronounce that T, right? Okay. He saw a castle there, and castle means a very big building, a large building, okay, like a palace. And then he enters to the castle. He saw the castle in the sky and he enters to the castle. Then he saw a one person. Who is that, you know? He saw a giant. What we are calling him? Giant. Giant has a very huge body, strong body person. He saw a castle, giant in the castle. Then what he is doing? Quietly he enters to the castle and he saw the giant there. Giant is doing something. What he is doing, you know? Already you know, right? Yes, he is counting the golden coins. He spread some golden coins on the table and he started counting. How he will start the counting? Yes, 1, 2, 3, up to 61, 62, 100 and 1000. Up to 1000 he started counting. Then near his, on his table, one side hen is there that lays golden egg, right? Yes, already you know that. One side hen is there, another one side that is a one type of the musical instrument. Musical instruments, okay. He kept one musical instrument is there, that is we are calling harp, okay. That is one of the musical instruments. Then he started counting and he said that after counting, he said that hen to lays a golden egg for me. What he said? Who said? Giant. Giant said, lay one golden egg for me. And then he told to the harp, you make one tune for me. I want to sleep here. I'm getting feeling sleepy. So I want to sleep here. You tune for me. Then what it will happen? Already that this jock is there in the castle now. He hides somewhere. Why? Because he is an unknown person to him. Then he hides somewhere, and when he saw his body, he scared. Why? Because he has a very huge body. He has more strength. So he scared about him. Then he hides somewhere. Then he observed is all what he are doing. He were doing as a he was doing as a here counting all the coins and all. Then right? Okay. Then what next? Let's continue the class. Okay. Okay. He quickly hides and sees somewhere and what giant is doing. The giant sits at his table counting his golden coins. These all I told. What I told, no? Those are hidden. And these all also. He said, I'm feeling sleepy. Tune one music or play a music for me. Like that he said to the harp. Then what is will happen? He slept there. He slept there only. Who slept here? Yes, this joint is there, no? Joint is there, no? That person slept there only. In that time, what he did, this job, he collect all the coins. What he spread on the table, no? He collect all the coins and the hen and one more, what? That harp also. He collected all those and he packed all. And then he said like that, I must run away with these gold coins, the hen and harp before this giant is there, no? Wake up. Already he slept. He's planning like that. I must ran away with the gold coin, the hen, and the harp before the giant wakes up. Then what it will happen? I told already, harp is one of the musical instrument. Then tune, music that comes from that musical instruments. This what I told, tune. Tune means like that. Okay, it comes from the musical instrument. Giant is a very huge person. Dwarf, very small person. What we are calling the small person, like this dog is a dwarf, means a small person. Okay. Okay, come to next now. First I'll read. Hey, what is the sound? Before that, Jock will say this all. Wow, a bag of gold coins, a hen that lays golden eggs, and a harp that plays music. In that time, hey, what is that noise? A little boy taking my money, my hen, and my harp. I will eagerly do something to that boy. Then the giant starts chasing Jock. Jock runs, Jock runs and reaches the beanstalk. He starts climbing down to his house. Jock asks his mother to quickly bring him an axe. He chopped the beanstalk. The beanstalk and the giant come crashing down. The giant dies. Okay, already he collect all the money from there, right? What next? What will happen next? They gave like this, see, while collecting all the coins and all, he said like that, wow, a bag of golden coins, a hen that lays golden eggs, and harp that plays music. He was very happy when he saw those all while collecting all golden coins and harp and the hen also. That time he felt very happy. Firstly, he collected all the coins. In that he is saying like that, wow, a bag of golden coins, a hen that lays eggs, golden eggs. That hen lays golden eggs, and the harp that makes a good tune, like that is playing music. That is one of the musical instruments. In that time, he's murmuring like that. Is it? We are telling like that. If we have any surprise or we are feeling happy, in that time we are speaking something like small tune, right? Like that, that Jock did as a same. Wow, a bag of gold coins and hen that lays golden eggs and a harp that plays music. In that time, he heard that voice. Who heard that voice? Yes, this giant is there, no? That giant heard that voice, his voice. Whose voice that is? Jock's voice. And he said, hey, what is that noise? Something noise is there. He heard that. Hey, what is that noise? A little boy taking my money, my hen, and my harp. See, while he is collecting all and he is started running from there, no, that time he saw those all and he said, hey, that little boy taking my money, my hen, and my harp. I will, what he will do, I don't know. What he will do, I don't know. Then he said, the giant starts chasing Jock. Who is chasing here? This giant is there, no? He started chasing to the Jock. Giant starts chasing. Chase. Chase means what? You know, you are playing with your friends like that, right? Chasing. You are chasing someone. They are running very fast like that. Here also, the giant chasing the whom? Jock. Yes. Jock runs and reach the beanstalk. See, he is in the In the castle only, uh, he runs and who runs? Jock. Yes, Jock runs and reaches the beanstalk. Here is there inside the castle. Jock is there, and when he saw him, he started running from the to the beanstalk. Then when he reaches that beanstalk, what he is doing? He is climbing up or climbing down? Yes, he is in the castle now. He want to reach his home, right? Okay. He started running from the castle to the beanstalk. Then he reaches the beanstalk and he will climbing down. Who will climbing down here? Who? Yes, that Jock. Jock is climbing down from the beanstalk, right? Yes, he did like that only. John runs and reaches the beanstalk. Already he reaches here and then he starts climbing down. That Jock is there, no? He starts climbing down to his house. Uh, what? Down of the beanstalk, his house is there. Up of the beanstalk, castle is there, right? Now he is in the castle. When he started chasing him, that time he started climbing down to his house, right? As the same, see here, he start climbing down to his house. While coming down only, climbing down only, he is calling his mother and he is saying something. See, Jack asked his mother to quickly bring him an axe. Why? I don't know. See, Jack asked his mother while coming down only, he is asking his mother down of the beanstalk. His house is there. No, he is asking his mother, quickly bring one axe. Bring him an axe. Why? See, then he is telling. Axe means what? You know? Axe. You know already. This is the iron part. See, axe is like this type. We will use this axe to cut the wooden things, right? We will chop the wooden things. Here they gave. See, axe is the tool used for chopping wood, typically of iron with a steel edge and wooden handle. This is called an axe. Okay. He said his mother to bring that axe to chop the beanstalk. Why? Because already he climbing down to the from the beanstalk, right? Already he reaches to his house. Then before coming down, that giant is there, no? Before coming down that giant, he should cut. He wants to cut the beanstalk. Already he climbing down. See, he chops the beanstalk with help of this axe. See, here only he cut like this type. Already he started chasing here. Who? First time Jock came down, right? At the same second time, Giant is chasing him. Chasing to the Jock. In that time, already he reaches to his house. Who reaches here? Jock, right? Jock reaches to his house and he told his mother to bring an axe and to cut the beanstalk. Already he chopped here. He chops the beanstalk. Chop. You know, in your home, you are helping your mother to chop the vegetables or fruits like that, right? Chop means cutting. Like that, he cut this beanstalk. He cut this beanstalk. The beanstalk and the giant came down. See, if we cut this one, what if it is tree also? If we cut that tree, it will come down, fell down, right? As the same, while coming down only, look at this picture. That giant is coming down, climbing down, right? Before he coming down, he chopped that beanstalk. Then what he said? The beanstalk and the giant come crushing down. Crush means what? Crush means what? You know how accident will happen, right? If forcibly one vehicle will come from this side and one more vehicle will come from this side, crushed both also. Means that much of forcibly they will come. Like that, if you are standing top of a wall, if while you are fell down, are you coming very slowly? No, right? You will come very crushing down like that. That much of hurt you will get if you crushing down like that. You will get a lot of pain or hurt. As the same, what it will happen? Joint is there in the middle of the beanstalk. Before he's coming down, he cut or he chopped the beanstalk. In that time, this beanstalk and the joint both also crushing down. The both also crushing down. One more beanstalk also. Beanstalk and the joint. These two also crushing down. These two also crushing down, and the joint was died. Already he died. Why? He fell down from that much of the height, right? So he died there only. Then what? What next? We don't know, right? Here he dies there only, joint dies there only, and he will be happy in his home. Before that, he was a very poor. He don't have money and he don't have food to have, right? These two, mother and Jock, both are the very poor person, right? After he came from the castle, he brought many golden coins and hen that lays golden eggs and a harp. It will play a music, right? Then he was very happy. Oh, I was so happy. He said, look, mom, now we are rich. Before that, they are very poor, right? Now they are feeling they are very rich. Rich, poor. I said previous class only. Rich, it's opposite poor, right? Okay, then both are living very happily. Understand this? This is one of the small story. You don't know this beanstalk and magic bean, this all. But here they are feeling now very happy. Understand? Any doubt is there here in this lesson? I think you understood this one. Okay. Here comprehension is there. I'll give this all answer in next WhatsApp class. Okay. Once you check this all in your home, all comprehension part, first choose the correct answer and fill in the blanks is there. Put a sentence, write true or false is there. Check these all, match the following is there and answer these all. Okay. I'll give these all answers in next WhatsApp class. Okay. Okay, children. I think everyone understood this topic. If you have any doubts, you can ask in next class. Okay. Okay, children. Do you want any recall? Okay, once I'll say Jock is a person and his mother is there. They are very poor. I'll say the story very small. Okay. They are very poor. And then uh, they have one cow in their home and they decided to sell that cow. And she said him to sell the cow. But what he did? He sold that, but also he didn't get money. He got a magic bean. Then he got that magic bean and he showed his mother. But she got angry about that. Then she threw that magic bean outside of the window. Next day, that magic bean is there, no, that is grown as a huge beanstalk. He was very happy and he started climbing up. When he reaches top of the beanstalk, he saw a castle there. He saw a castle there. In that castle, he saw one person, a huge person. He's a giant. That giant doing some work in there. He started counting all the golden coins, and one hen is there that lays golden egg, and one more side harp is there. That is one of the musical instruments. After counting that, he felt very sleepy. He got sleepy and he slept there only. In that time, what he did, Jock collect all the golden coins and he packed everything. He started from there. While he is coming, he was very happy and he is saying something. Wow, I got these many golden coins. And yes, one hen that lays golden eggs and one harp. He was very happy in that time. He heard that noise while coming from there. That giant heard from that noise and he chasing him. He chasing the jaw and that jaw that started climbing down from the beanstalk. He reached to here down of the beanstalk and then he asked his mother to bring an axe. And then after that he chopped the beanstalk. In that time, already he is on the way, that giant is on the way to come down. That beanstalk and the giant, those two also rushing down. In that time, giant dies. Then they were very happy. They got more golden coins, one hen that lays golden eggs, and the musical instrument, right? Then they were very happy. They were living very happily. Okay, children, once you read this all lesson and then check all the comprehension part, filling the blanks, true or false, opposites, then question and answer. Then let us continue this class in next period. Okay? Thank you.